Rightio, so I'm arriving to meet Tank and Laila, that's the dogs, who are two Pomeranians, and apparently Tank is very aggressive to strangers. I can hear them barking already. Ooh. Quite a bit of barking. Ah. Right. Just don't open the door yet, please. I just want to get a little tape of this noise. Oh boy. Somebody's pretty upset. Okay, I'll just stop the tape and start talking to you. Okay, so let's see how Tank and Laila are now. It's just a couple of hours after we started that lesson. They went crazy at the front door when I knocked before. That's not bad. Not a noise. You can come and let me in. No, you got to let me know. I want you to do this, just like you're letting a guest in. So, where are the dogs?
Well, she's here.
Where?
Bah!
Right against the door.
Yeah, only when I come to the door.
Yeah, so walk into her space and drive her back like I did.
Yeah, she's gone home and said bar and she ran.
Okay, that's good.
Tank's just over there.
Okay, so as long as they haven't come anywhere near. So there's no dogs near the door?
No.
Okay, so let me in. Open the door and...
Oh, okay. I thought
just,
you could open it.
I can, but no, I want you to reproduce what's going on.
okay.
So the dogs see it. Okay.
Now, you know what he was like when you...
Well, hello.
All right.
Hello.
Now, what do I do to him?
Well, just come over there and call them back
Come
to you.
on, over here. Over here. Over here.
That's it. Bend over. Call them to you.
Come on, come here.
Give them a little pat.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Good boy.
Okay.
Come here, Laila. Come here. Good girl.
All
Laila,
right.
come here. It's all right. Come here. You want a pat?
There we go.
Hey?
Okay, so how is that? How different is that?
If anybody that's been here was to, like, people said to me, okay, I'm going to tell you straight up, you're wasting your money.
Yes, right.
You know what, I'm going to tell them. Yeah, no.
Where's Stephen?
Oh, Stephen's had to take a phone call.
Oh, okay.
But, yeah, no, seriously.
So that was very different.
Oh,
Yeah, very, very different.
totally different.
Yeah.
Like, he is a different dog.
Yeah.
You know, like it said, she's going to take a little bit more, but he
Yeah.
didn't even bark at all.
No.
He normally is that crap crazy, like,
Yeah. Out of control.
oh, throwing himself at the door.
Yeah.
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 No.
Big difference. Well done.
Yes. I'll be recommending them.
Good on you. Thank you. Okay.